26-year-old Akjol Mahmudov. .26 years old. One of the most dynamic and electric Greco-Roman wrestlers in recent memory. Olympic silver medalist, Olympic bronze medalist. Three-time Asian champion. Won the trifecta run, all three colors at the age groups. Was a U17 world champ, was a U20 silver and a U20 bronze. But his day did not start off as the score may indicate. You look down and see 9-1 or 7-3. You think, okay, he kind of cruised. He was real sluggish to start off the day.
Yeah, he had a slow start today. Maybe he cut a lot of weight. Who knows? But what is important now is what happens in these next 6 minutes.
His last competition was at the ranking series, the Muhammad Malo in Toronto, where he was up at 82 kilos and did not medal there. So that may lead some credence to your theory on the weight cut. But his second match, 9-1, the Mahmudov we're used to seeing. Nakibov, 2024 Asian bronze medalist, again right here in Bishkek.
Nakibov is doing a great job putting pressure on Akjol here, not showing the champ any respect at all. He wants that first passivity point.
Coming up to that halfway point. Now we've got a blood stoppage, it would appear. We'll clean things up. Passivity should be coming up any moment now. And there we have it. It's going to go the direction of red, so that'll be 1 point for Mahmudov in the blue. And I think the home crowd has a feeling of anticipation as Mahmudov goes on top here in parterre.
Let's see if he goes for his famous reverse lift or for the side lift that he also does.
Up, looking for it, looking for what opening was there.
Red has to open up there.
Steps out, reverse lift time. Nothing doing. Mahmudov's going to try to lock it up again. You don't have a whole lot of time here in parterre. He's going to, over he goes! Throws him through. Oh.
Beautiful.
Four.
Beautiful reverse lift. Here he goes. One more, and the match is over.
That one was Karelin-esque.
Wow.
Did I say the home crowd was anticipating something? I think they got what they came to see. Look at this thing of beauty.
Nakibov did an excellent job defending in the beginning of the parterre situation. But Mahmudov persisted and got those two big 4-point lifts there.
So Akjol Mahmudov will wrestle.